EUV source startup Xlight is bringing in millions to advance its newest technology, how the company's high-power systems aim to improve semiconductor manufacturing. Lumotive reopens its own round of funding and brings Amazon into the fold. We'll explain what this means for the future of programmable optics. And Trump's earnings report sheds light on what its CEO is calling the third consecutive year of crisis. We'll dissect that report with Photonics Spectra contributing editor Andreas Thas. These stories and more on Photonics Spectra Now. Photonics Spectra Now is brought to you by Thor Labs, pioneering photonics technologies to accelerate research and development. Visit thorlabs.com to learn more. Hi, and welcome to Photonics Spectra Now, covering your top headlines in the world of photonics. I'm Joe Kaczynski, a senior editor with Photonics Spectra. Extreme ultraviolet tech startup Xlight has raised more than $40 million to finance the development of a high-powered extreme ultraviolet source. These systems are designed for use in semiconductor manufacturing as well as in other national security applications. Xlight, founded in 2021, is currently working on EUV free electron laser technology. Officials with Xlight say with these funds it will be able to develop a full-scale prototype. Lumotive adds Amazon as an investor for its beam-forming chip technology. The developer of programmable optical semiconductor technology has secured an undisclosed sum from Amazon Industrial Innovation Fund and Ithaca Group. The financing round brings the total funding from Lumotive's Series B round to nearly $60 million. Lumotive will use the investment to boost product developments in industrial applications, including the company's light control metasurface chips as the industry moves toward integrated solutions for applications in automation and AI. Micro-LED display startup QPixel is releasing a new technology that could overcome a major hurdle that has plagued the displays sector. The company's Q-transfer technology is said to address existing pixel transfer issues. Conventional mass transfer processes often have a low yield. The resulting costs for manufacturing and repairs have kept micro-LED displays from hitting mass production. QPixel uses tunable polychromatic micro-LEDs with more than 500 pixels per inch and 0 missing pixels with nearly complete transfer yield. This tech may soon be found in the production of displays for smart glasses, mobile devices, and transparent screens. Researchers have developed an eco-friendly and ultra-stable material to generate deep blue light in LEDs. A team from Rutgers University and Brookhaven National Laboratory used copper iode hybrid emitter materials to generate ultra-bright blues. Existing options for reaching these deep blues can lack stability, be expensive, and can even be toxic. This new copper iode hybrid is said to be more robust without the use of toxic components. Scientists from NYU have found a new method to measure cellular structures without damaging them. This non-invasive practice uses label-free holographic microscopy to investigate the behavior of condensate-forming protein in vitro. In experiments, researchers were able to gather data on thousands of particles in minutes, without distorting their samples. These advancements could improve research leading to better treatments for infectious diseases, cancers, and neurological disorders.
This is really serious because they are a family business and they really try to keep their workforce. If they have to fire 1,000 people, and they did, this is very serious.
Changes in market demands have forced Trump to cut jobs and to readjust its focus. Now, as the laser maker wraps its fiscal year, a new report provides more details on slumping sales. During the 2024-25 fiscal year, Trump generated roughly 4.3 billion euros in sales, a 17% drop from the previous year. Order intake also fell around 7%, coming in at about 4.2 billion. The laser maker said it expected to post a decline in sales, showing dips in several markets, including the US and Asia. Andreas Thas, Photonics Spectra contributing editor and longtime industry journalist, says that a slow reaction to big market swings could have contributed to the slide.
There was something that was extremely extraordinary. When you look at the numbers, then from their fiscal year 2019-2020 to 2022, they had 70% growth in order intake, and the subsequent 2 years, they had more than 50% in revenue growth. This is extreme. And just for the last 2 years, they saw a setback. Unfortunately, they hired people even the second year when the order intake was going down. So maybe that was a little bit too long. It's a family business again. They are preparing for sustainable development in the market, and the market was just hitting up very high and going down afterwards. Again, I think that was too fast for them to react in their regular way.
TRUMPF's CEO believes that order intakes and sales have stabilized and that the company has reached its lowest level. In this new report, she says that cost-cutting measures are working and will position TRUMPF for improved earnings in the future. Have news you'd like to share or suggestions for our team? You can send any story tips, questions, or comments to video@photonics.com. Give us a like and click that subscribe button in the corner for all the latest videos from Photonics Media, and be sure to follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. Remember, you can always find more details on these stories and everything else happening in the industry by going to photonics.com. I'm Joe Kaczynski, and thanks for watching.